Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the project and environment so deployment is frictionless. You must enable the Cloud Functions API and attach billing to the project, otherwise deployments fail. Install and authenticate gCloud with gCloud init and gCloud auth login so you can deploy from your machine. Create a folder, add index. JS exporting the function exports. myfunc equals async, rec, res equals, and a package. JSON declaring runtime dependencies. Once done, you're ready to configure runtime and triggers. Now you'll configure runtime, triggers, and permissions so the platform runs your code correctly. Choose the runtime and memory size that fits your workload and set a region close to users to reduce latency. For HTTP functions, use trigger HTTP. For background, use trigger topic or storage events. Test locally with Functions Framework to catch syntax or dependency errors before deploying. Then run gCloud functions, deploy myfunc runtime, notage 16 trigger HTTP region equals us central 1, and watch the output for success, and the HTTPS URL. Finish by verifying and monitoring so the function stays reliable in production. Invoke the deployed endpoint with curl or use the Cloud Console test panel, confirm status codes and payloads, and run end-to-end checks. Open cloud logging to inspect execution logs, cold starts, and memory spikes. Once done, adjust memory or concurrency and redeploy. If something goes wrong, make sure the Cloud Functions API and required service accounts have IAM roles. Check stack traces for missing dependencies, and redeploy a previous working revision as a quick rollback.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.